right, guys. Okay, so now we take it out our cover and we can see that it's proof. But the truth is, the dough was a bit hard and actually we make a mistake, but it's good. Actually, when we make a mistake, we still need to make mistake or not, we still need to do it. So what's happened is we forget to put 100 gram of milk. We are short of 100 grams of milk. Well, this was a bit hard. Sometimes the flour is you buy it and then you keep it for 3 weeks, 1 month, and here is 40 degrees, 35 degrees. So of course it will be more dry, it will take a little bit more water, but it was too much hard, so actually we forget 100 grams. Nevertheless, we're going to finish. So what we need to do now is we cut it, okay, and then we're going to put the egg yolk, egg wash on top. So it's not going to be as big as usual because of our mistake, of course, because if you forget to put the water, the dough is going to be more hard, and of course, obviously.
You forget.
No, never mind. It's never mind, because the important thing is, even we forget.
The chef don't forget.
Till.
The sous chef forget.
Now the boss is always the boss. That we don't care because we need to make it happen. So actually it's a good try. So it's going to be a little bit longer, you know, take a little bit longer to raise. That's it, no big deal. If you're good, even you forget, you must do it.
Everything is possible.
Everything is possible, exactly. Now, next time we put some ice in the water. That was a bit hot also because here is like, I don't know, we have a thermometer, 35 or 36 degrees. It's okay, you must do it. And of course, hygiene is very important. So, yeah, have a fly. So we try not to cook it together. All right, guys, so everything is ready. So the oven is 180 for 10 minutes.
Yes.
Okay, so this one, we have the grill already. Yes, it's for the small because the other one is on top. All right, look at that. This is the product. Okay, this one is on top, and then we're doing 180. So now is the ventilation, no top, no down, 180 for 10 minutes. And then after that, we're going to move to 160 because too hot, of course. After 10 minutes, 160 for 15 minutes.
It depends on your oven.
It depends on you.
Oven.
Of course, it depends on the oven. Each oven is different. Don't read the book. Use the ice. All right, see you later.